Hello guys, how to take a screenshot by pressing Win plus Shift plus S on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to take a screenshot, this is the easiest way. Just press Win plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. We will try this, and this is the screen, and we will press Windows key plus Shift plus S. After pressing, a cropping image will appear. Here draw which portion you want to take a screenshot and release them, and it will successfully taken a screenshot of your page. Click on it and save as per your choice. You have successfully taken your screenshot. It's still on clipboard, so save any other places. That's all.